Do you know that this polypropylene face mask takes 450 years to biodegrade? I'm going to say that again. 450 years. They say in the UK alone they wear 53 million of these a day. That's the equivalent of 5.5 Eiffel Towers in just 1 year. Worldwide, 7.8 billion people prefer to wear this when they go out in public. And what do they do with it? Do they recycle it? Do they repurpose it? Do they upcycle it into something else? No, they throw it away. It ends up in our landfills. 450 years, that's 5 or 6 generations. And then most don't even throw it away properly. They throw it out the window, or before they get in their car, they take it off and they just throw it away, and it ends up in our water supply. It goes through our rivers and our lakes into our oceans, and then it ends up being wrapped around the fins of our wildlife, or it breaks down in the oceans and it becomes part of our food supply. This has to end. And the more I learned about this, the more I felt inspired to do a blog about it and share it with you. I wrote a blog about it. It's going to be in the link below. But I have worked on what I feel is an eco-friendly solution. And so I started working with a new textile, and I made a new line of masks out of it. And it's 100% biodegradable and safe for you and the planet. And that's what today's video is all about. And I'm so excited to share this with you. Hello, my name is Takacs, the Streamline Seamstress, and this channel is all about saving you time, money, and energy with tips and tricks that I learned in the sewing factory that I had when I was a pattern maker, a designer, for many, many years, where we manufactured and sold products worldwide. And if you're down for that, make sure to subscribe, but I want to get right into it because today's subject is very important. Before I do, I want to let all of my sewing peeps know I have a little gift for you. It's a freebie. At the end of this video, I'm going to have a link for you to get this freebie, and you're going to love it. The face mask that I'm holding in my hand is made out of a textile that I found after I read everything about the waste from polypropylene face masks. And I am so excited to share this tutorial with you and these masks with you. This mask is made out of hemp, and it is an organic hemp, and it fits and feels beautiful. I'm going to model this for you in just a little bit. But first I want to talk about the history of hemp. So hemp has been grown all over the world, but it was banned in the US in 1937 because the cotton lobbyists were threatened by the superior product that hemp produced. And it is by far superior. It's a premium fabric in so many ways, and it is far more sustainable for our planet than cotton. Do you know that cotton uses 50% of the fertilizers and pesticides on the planet are used to grow cotton? I found that incredible. So hemp is a breathable fabric, meaning it doesn't hold moisture. It also hinders the growth of mold and mildew, which keeps it odorless. And I found this incredibly important because I have a very sensitive nose. My husband makes fun of it all the time because I can smell something 50 yards away. And especially in textiles and chemicals, I can smell fabrics. I can smell the chemicals in them even after they're washed. And with the hemp, when it came across my cutting table and sewing table, it didn't affect my allergies like other textiles do. Hemp is stronger. It has 3 times more tensile strength than cotton. And tensile means the ability to retain its shape and to expand without tearing. And that's really important when you're buying any product, especially a face mask, because the same mask that's made out of hemp as opposed to cotton is going to last 3 times longer. And because it's something that we are just disregarding when we're finished with it, I think that's critically important to know. It's equally important to note that it becomes softer and more subtle with each wear. I found it to be incredibly comfortable. I'm going to model some of these masks for you so that you can see for yourself, and we're going to talk a little bit about each mask, and then I'm going to have all the links for all the fabrics and the textiles and the patterns and everything below. And stay tuned because I have a surprise for you. I'm excited to show you this surprise. So I want to demo for you the new mask pattern that I made out of an organic hemp blend that is a replica of the surgical face mask, those polypropylene masks that everyone, you know, it's a one and done. They buy it and they throw it away. And I have it right here. and I fell in love with this fabric. It's 120 inches wide, and I made a surgical pleated mask. This pattern is graded in 8 sizes, including 3 for children. The link will be below. But it has a removable nose wire pocket so that you can just put the wire in and out as needed, like take it out for washing or when you go to throw the mask away. You can recycle that. It is made out of a hemp blend sheeting, and one of the things I loved about this fabric was the density of it, that it was breathable, but yet it was so dense that you couldn't see through it. I made the ear loops out of a jersey hemp knit, so they're really soft and comfy, no elastic. We want something nice and comfortable and also biodegradable. And then the adjustable stops on either side I made out of wood pony beads. So I went ahead and made a pattern for you, and I have a video on how to do the pleats in 30 seconds, how you can hack that. So I'm going to plug that in for you. I'm also going to plug in the video on how to do the removable nose wire pocket. The written instructions are in the pattern, but I'm going to plug that video in for you as well. And this pattern comes also with nose bridge on it in case you decide that you are not a fan of a nose wire. The nose bridge will essentially do the same thing in keeping your glasses from fogging up. And then also we've added the lanyard. Now the wooden pony beads, the hemp jersey that we used for the elastic and the strings for the ear loops, 100% organic face mask. Hemp, when grown on the same land as cotton, uses half the water but produces 250% more fibers. That's an astounding fact. It will solve the problem for you if you have any skin sensitivities, because you don't have the amount of pesticides and fertilizers that are farmed into the textile that are then being worn on your face. Think about that. You've eliminated that. You're wearing something organic on your face, and I guarantee you're going to see an amazing improvement in how your skin reacts when you're wearing a organic hemp, organic cotton blend mask such as this one. But I have another mask to show you, and I'm excited. So let's get to my favorite of the hemp collection. Okay, so this is my favorite of the hemp collection face mask. This is the jersey mix. It is 53% hemp, organic hemp, 43% organic cotton, and 4% lycra. And I'm speaking to you with it on so that you can see it doesn't move when I talk. It stays in place. It's comfortable. I can wear it all day. This is a practical mask. I can wear it all day. The way that I designed this mask is you can layer it, and you can have a filter that's built in. It has the slots here, and I have a filter. I'm wearing it without a filter right now, obviously, so that you can hear me on the camera. I live in West Virginia, which is rural, but if I'm in the city or an airport, then I might want to pop in that filter to give myself some extra protection. And the mask is 100% biodegradable. I've got the pony beads that are made out of wood. I'm using the same jersey hemp cotton fabric to make the elastic ear loops, and also to make the lanyard, which in this case I have a lanyard that goes behind my neck. It's going through the ear loops here and then connecting in the back. This way, when I go to dinner, I can just drop the mask. I keep it with me all day. I don't lose my mask. And I think that is a reason why people buy these, because they lose their mask. So if you do not have a lanyard for your mask, you can make one yourself. And I have a video on that. I'm going to pop that in for you. You do not need to know how to sew to make your own lanyard. It's easy, and you can repurpose something to make it. That being said, this mask, you could just remove the filter. You can wear it with or without. And the pattern's going to be below for you if you are sewing Angel. And it has the slots there where you can just put in the filter. Now this filter was made with an organic cotton hemp blend. And I also put a layer of hemp batting in. And I'm going to do a video tutorial on this to show you how to do this. So if you want something more protective, this is a better alternative than wearing a double mask, because this is essentially 2 masks in one. And since summer is coming, it's also available, the pattern, you use the same pattern, and you could just do the hemp. And I would recommend doing the hemp sheeting, and it's breathable. It doesn't get hot. So it's going to be a really great summer fabric. And now that I've been talking to you for a while wearing my jersey mask with the lanyard, I'm going to drop it so that you can see. It's just really easy and comfortable. I actually forget that I'm wearing these because they're so comfortable. I fall asleep with them on. I wake up in the morning, I'm like, what's around my neck? And it's my mask. So are you ready for your free surprise gift from the Streamline Seamstress today? All of my sewing angels, I'm so excited to give this to you. So my girl Taryn and I, and she does all of my artwork. I want to give her a shout out. If you need a graphic artist to make anything for you, her Etsy store is TM2 Designs on Etsy. She's amazing. And I'm going to get this out of here so that I can share this with you. What is it, you ask? It's a stencil. And this stencil is inspired because we used to have these in the sewing factory so that when we would purchase fabrics or get samples of fabrics, we could see what the fabric would look like when we made it into a swimsuit. And in this case, what it looks like for a face mask. This is cut on a Cricut, and I just fold it up and I put it in my purse and I take it with me to the fabric store, and then I can see exactly what a face mask would look like in a particular fabric. And I love this. It's just, it gives me a great deal of, would that work? It also helps me when I'm thinking about lining something up symmetrically and I want to take a look at a preview of that and what it would look like. So that's my free gift for you, the streamlineseamstress.com. The link will be below. It's free. You can just download it, upload it to your Cricut, or you can print it and cut it manually. So I hope that you found this tutorial informative and educational today, and it inspired you. And I hope that you will share this video because I think it's a conversation that we all need to have. And if you sew, I hope that you will explore making face masks out of hemp. And if you do not sew and you're shopping, I hope that you will explore buying one out of hemp because it's safer for you and for the planet. Everyone, thank you for watching today. I appreciate all of you more than words can say. God bless, be well, and for my sewers out there, keep sewing. It's good for the soul.